What's up, party people? Or should I say oil change people? Just regular maintenance. I got a guest rent in the house, my nephew, Jathan. And we're just gonna do an oil change today. He's never done one. I figure why not? We'll just do the do. Teach the young and keep the car maintained at the same time. How about that? Anyway, let's get to it in Skaggs Garage. All right, everybody. My nephew, Jathan. Come here, man. So, is this your car?
No, this is not my car. It's my girlfriend's car.
Okay. All right, so she got you changing oil.
She does.
Yeah. We should have her in here.
We should.
Yeah, we should.
We should.
Not today, though.
Maybe another time.
All right. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to go through setting up the lift for the jack points. We're going to pop the hood so we can get some light down through, and we're going to get to it. You ready?
Ready.
All right, let's get some gloves on. All right. All right, Jathan, get down here. Okay, one way you can tell your lift points, if you look at the seam right here, see how each seam has like these little, I don't know, pinch points right here? Those are basically your lift points. And you find one here, and you see one back there? Yep. So basically, you want to get your pad right at that point. And that comes out, so go ahead and, there you go. Just kind of lift up on it. You good? Right in the center? Yep. All right, let's go and do the other side. All right, proper lift operation. Okay, over here, this is your safety catch release. And when you go to lower your car, you pull this down in order to let the car down. But while it's going up, this will clack, clack, clack. And I usually just hold it down, but I'll let it go while it's going up so you can see what I'm talking about. And then we can hold it down because it's just annoying. Now, this button here is what starts the pump and raises the car. And usually I'll raise it up maybe 2 feet. Then I'll check to make sure that it's stable on the post. And if it is, then we go all the way up. All right, let's open the hood. Jathan, what kind of car we got here?
Yeah, that's a Mazda6, 2014.
What I like to do, and I don't know if this helps or not, but I always pull the oil fill cap off because it seems to drain quicker. But that's just me. We'll set that over there. And that's it. Let's get it in the air. All right, so once it's up just a few feet, just kind of give it a little shake, because if it's gonna fall, you'd rather for it to fall now, yep, instead of in the air. So I kind of shake the front, shake the back, and I think we're good. So go ahead and put it up. Like that. Let's play guess the size. What do you think that is?
I was gonna say.
You know, I don't know what it is. Let's see if we're right.
I was gonna say.
Oh, another common one is 13. So, where are we? Pick the 10.
that's 11. This is 10. Oh, no, that's too.
You think the 10's too small?
Yeah. It's gotta be 12.
I say 13. All right, let me get you a ratchet and let you go at it. Come on, come on. Did it move? Yeah, it did. Oh, you broke it loose. It's on you, baby. Easy, easy, easy.
Are y'all ready?
I'm ready. If you want to let it drop, you can let it drop. I don't care. Ah. You want to touch it? Go ahead. Skag Deuce touching. Yeah, it's not that hot. All right, Jathan, we're down to just a little wee pea coming out. You want to go ahead and pull the filter? I'll hold your plug. You want to bring it straight down because it's going to be full of oil. Hit. Two hands. And just sit it in there. There you go. All right, at this point, with this little dribble, I'd go ahead and put my drain plug back in. Yeah, you know, maybe a little bit more. I mean, you don't have to crank it down hard. There you go. That's good. And me, I'm anal. I like to clean all my oil from around there and around here. And so if the vehicle owner looks under here, they won't see anything that looks like, man, this guy's at Skaggs Garage did a crappy job. He left oil everywhere. Not here though. All right, let's go to the workbench and do a pre-fill on the filter. All right, so what I like to do is do a little pre-oil inside the filter. You heard that before? Yeah, so that way when you start up the engine, you don't have to fill the oil filter to get air. I mean, fill the oil filter to get oil back out of it. So we'll put a little bit in there. Good. See, I didn't come all the way up. And since your oil filter is pretty much straight up and down, you could fill it to the top. If it's at an angle, I never fill it to the top because it's just going to pour out. Take a little bit of oil, put it around your gasket. You're ready to put it back in. All right, let's go. Let's do it, man. Once you get it snug, maybe a quarter turn. There you go. All right, let's get it down, put some oil in it. All right. Funnel. oil. You tripped. No, it's your car. You trying to be dramatic and do the long pour? Let me see your long pour. Ah. Okay. Check your level. Fill it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Stick it in again. No, all the way in. Just push. Push through it quick. There you go. Now back out. Okay, right there. So we will start it up and check for leaks. Not even gonna look, but just check underneath and make sure you don't see any oil drops or anything like that coming from around your oil filter. Hold on, keep looking. Yeah. All right. Good, good. Let's kill it. Yeah. All right, check oil level again. Give it time to drain down. Look at that. Wipe it, stick it in again. All the way. Wipe the whole thing. You don't want to run it down and give me a false reading. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. I like it. You like it? I like it. All right, so what did we learn today?
How to change oil.
Okay. All right, that's gonna do it. Skaggs Garage, oil change. Jathan, thanks.
Thank you.
Woman Jathan. Whatever. All right, see y'all next time. Skaggs out.